Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to upload your music to Spotify in 2025, step by step. So, want to get your music on Spotify in 2025? This step-by-step guide shows you how to upload your songs the right way using trusted distributors like DistroKid, TuneCore or Amuse. Learn the process, requirements and tips to go live on Spotify fast. Perfect for beginners and independent artists. Now, if you're an independent artist wondering how to get your music on Spotify, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. Now to inform you, Spotify does not allow direct uploads from artists. Instead, you need to go through a music distributor. Some of the best and most beginner-friendly options in 2025 include DistroKid, TuneCore, Amuse, and CD Baby. So these platforms act as a bridge between your music and Spotify. Visit the website of your chosen distributor, for example, distrokid.com. So you'll have to go to the search bar and type in distrokid.com, hit enter and you'll be on this page. Click on sign up with Google, Apple or Facebook. So simply choose a way to sign up, enter your email, create a strong password and click on sign up. Now after signing up, you will see this page where you'll have to basically choose a plan. So some services offer free options with limited features while others charge a small annual fee for unlimited uploads. So once you're signed in, upload your song or album. You will need the following: a high quality audio file, usually WAV format. Album or single artwork at least 3000 into 3000 pixel, that could be JPG or PNG. A song title, artist name and release date. Optional things include lyrics, featured artists and genre tags. Now, fill in all the required metadata carefully. This helps with Spotify search and playlist placement. Now, during the upload process, you'll be asked where to distribute your music. Make sure to select Spotify along with other platforms like Apple Music, YouTube Music and Amazon Music. Some distributors even let you schedule your release for future date. After uploading and submitting your track, the distributor will send your music to Spotify for approval. This usually takes between 3 to 7 days. Make sure your song doesn't include copyrighted sample or misleading metadata to avoid delays. Once your music is live, head to artists.spotify.com and claim your artist profile. This lets you customize your Spotify page, track your streams and listener data, and pitch songs to playlists, also adding canvas visuals and bio updates. Now that your music is on Spotify, promote it across social media, send it to curators and encourage fans to follow you on Spotify to stay updated on future releases. And that's it. You have successfully uploaded your music to Spotify in 2025. Whether you're just starting out or dropping your next big hit, getting on Spotify is a major step in your music journey. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more music tips. See you in the next one.